Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Firefox 74, which was released on March 10th and is the third major browser update in 2020. In this video, I'll cover some of the notable changes in this new browser update. First up, Mozilla has disabled support for TLS 1.0 and 1.1. TLS, or Transport Layer Security, is a security protocol for encrypting HTTPS connections. Essentially, sites that don't support TLS version 1.2 or above will now show an error page. You can learn more about it from Thyla's blog post. You'll find the link in the description section. Next up, Firefox Add-ons. In Firefox 74 onwards, third-party applications won't be able to add add-ons, and Firefox users can remove add-ons via the Add-ons Manager. Next up, the Facebook container in Firefox, which is an add-on developed by Mozilla that prevents Facebook from tracking you around the web, like your Facebook logins, comments, likes, etc. You also have the option to set exceptions for custom sites. And finally, we now have a shortcut to access the page info window. In earlier versions of Firefox, the shortcut for Control-I used to open the bookmarks sidebar. Now in Firefox 74 and above, the shortcut Control-I will open the page info window, and the shortcut Control-B will still open the bookmark sidebar. So these were some of the notable changes in Firefox 74. You can check the list of detailed changes in the release notes. You'll find the link in the description section. In terms of the BrowserMark benchmark test results, the overall performance of Firefox dropped slightly, and comparatively, Google Chrome continues to outperform. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.